So this is the Ergo, purchased online from a popular water softener site. It's not the right machine for this job, and it's been fitted by a local plumber. First glances, it looks like it's been connected properly, but then when you start looking further into it, you realise that it's not quite right, and it doesn't actually meet the requirements for WRAS approval. So we decided to take a look at the installation, and it did mean taking the old cupboard out which houses that machine. It is a lengthy job to do so, but it's definitely essential to do the job correctly. So the cupboard was taken out, and then we noticed straight away that the bypass is actually missing. So first things first, we've cut those pipes back, secured them better, and installed a bypass. And this is the configuration. It enables you to isolate the water from the softener if there was a problem. So then we put the cupboard back and installed an Ergo Water 100. This machine is definitely a lot better. Comes with a 10-year warranty. It's Wi-Fi enabled, so we can actually monitor it remotely, and if the lady does have any more problems, we could probably address it before she even realises. Going back to the other machine, you know, it's not fit for this purpose, and it was over 2 years old and nobody wants to touch it. So for that reason, this machine just becomes a disposable water softener, which is not great, just being 2 years old. So buy from an expert.